Research now shows that regular stretching can make you looser and more mobile within weeks, no matter how old you are. So if you're feeling a bit stiff and achy and old before your time, but you just don't know where to start, here's the quick and simple stretching routine that'll make you feel looser than you have in years. Right, let's start off with the easiest and safest way to help you touch your toes. This exercise is amazing because it targets your hamstring, your mid-back and your shoulders all at once. Standing a bit more than arm's distance from a wall, place your hands against the wall at chest height and then lower your torso until your arms, head and back are all in a line. Let your knees bend to get into this position, but then just straighten them enough to feel a nice stretch in your hamstrings. From here, push yourself away from the wall a bit to lengthen your body. This is great for shoulder health. Holding this position stretches your lats too and loosens up your mid-back, improving your posture. Next, we stretch our hip flexors, which is great for your hips and lower back. So still facing the wall, place one foot a few inches back, put your hands on the wall at about stomach level and step right back with the other leg. Then just lower your body straight down. Keep your body upright, look straight ahead and make sure that your back knee is bent, not straight. You should feel a stretch in the front of your hip and upper thigh of your back leg. If your front thigh gets a bit tired, you can support your weight with a hand on your front thigh or even support yourself with a nearby chair. Then swap sides, keeping your body and neck upright and back knee bent. Stretching your hip flexors helps to prevent back pain while standing by decreasing the arch in your lower back. It also helps you to walk further and faster because looser hips create less muscle resistance as you walk. Just don't lower your body down too far the first time you try this. Start gently. Now let's do a stretch that's great for your neck and upper back. Standing with your legs nice and wide to stretch your inner thighs, lean to the side as far as you can comfortably and breathe out. Hold that position for 2 seconds, then go the other way. Breathe in as you go up and then really sigh out and relax fully as you lean to the side. Remember to stretch your neck too. Let your head hang to the side, allowing gravity to help. We'll do one more side bend and then we'll add an extra touch. This time, stretch one arm over your body. Keep that arm in line with your body, not forward, and face both palms forward. This movement strengthens your core as you lean to the side, especially if you don't lean your lower hand against your thigh. It's also great for any neck or shoulder tightness. And stretching your mid-back and ribs makes your whole torso feel loose and free. Next up, we do a simple exercise that stretches your chest and improves your posture. Lying face up on a firm surface, bend your knees and tuck your chin down slightly so that you're looking straight up. Then place both arms out wide with palms facing up. Relax and let gravity stretch your arms back and slowly raise your arms towards your head and then lower them again. As your arms go higher, tighten your stomach muscles a bit to stop your back from arching. Aim to keep your elbows straight, but arms and chest relaxed. Only move your arms towards your head as far as you find comfortable. With all of these exercises, always keep within a pain-free range of motion. If it's a bit easy, place a rolled up towel under the length of your mid-back, but keep your legs bent. This straightens up your spine and shoulders, stretches your pecs in every angle, and improves shoulder health. Now it's time to stretch your lower back and your gluteal muscles to help to prevent hip pain. Lying on your back, bend one leg up, put the opposite hand underneath your thigh, just above the knee, then stretch your leg to one side. Keep the other hand and shoulder on the ground, palm up, and only move as far as comfortable. You should feel it stretch in your outer pelvis and hip. Breathe slowly, sighing out with every breath, and really try to relax into this position. Then we stretch the other way. Holding behind your knee puts less pressure on your knees and helps you to naturally draw your knee up as you go to the side. This position opens up all of the lower back joints, helping to release any restricted spinal joints. And it stretches your hip muscles to prevent hip pain, especially when lying on your side at night. Now we've been focusing mainly on your muscles here. If you want to free up all your joints, especially in your back and your neck so you feel freer and straighter, I recommend you watch this video next. It's a bit of a personal favourite of mine.